So hello everyone, I am super excited to tell you that on 3rd of July 2022 at Eastern 11 am, Tonai is going to live and organize the informative webinar on 3rd of July. Let's quickly come on to the sales page of the Tonai. So Tonai is an artificial intelligence software which helps to create video reels, sales pages, video commercials, voiceovers, articles, podcasts with over 30 tones like a pro, and it will save your time as well. So here we can see you are officially inviting to the grand opening event of Tonai. I have told you that Tonai organized an informative webinar on 23rd of July. So there is the tagline of the Tonai: for the first time ever, create unlimited tone-based content that charms and activates emotions in readers, viewers and listeners in one click. So let's quickly jump onto the Tonai features, that which type of features, which type of functions you will get in Tonai software. So as you can see, you can develop and precise an eye-catching video reels. As you can see, you can develop an eye-catching videos for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook in merely 3 clicks. Yes, you heard right. You can create any type of videos like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube in just 3 clicks, and that's the juicy part of the Tonai, because this is the AI based software. It will save your time much higher. So it will save your time and create just in a 3 clicks of the video. And the second point of the feature is you can create commercial and sales video with a personality behind them. You just need to play and adjust the tunes of over 30 plus tones to make any voiceover alluring and captivating for the users. The third point is audio SMS, audio reviews, audio notification, audio testimonials, podcast, and ability to share with potential contacts on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. So you can do this thing as well. And also you can develop intriguing content for ads to be posted on social media channel in just 1 minute, and write enthralling and innovative fictional voice stories using AI. So this feature is also a wonderful thing of Tonai. And the fourth point is draft SEO optimized lengthy blog posts and articles in just 2 clicks. Yes, you hear right, it's just adorable. It's just 2 clicks using the breakthrough technology of AI. So it's incredible. You can optimize any blog and article in just 2 clicks. That's good. And the next point is helps to elevate the dire need of breaking head with writing copies for voiceovers. The AI handles it all in a click by auto-generating voiceovers for getting the marketer demand. And the next is generates highly attractive product description to soar customer engagement and conversation for an e-commerce store or website, and so much and so more. You can see the features of the software. You can also see the much more things, and you can also see that the demo. I have mentioned the link of this software, the direct link of the sales page in the description box. You can check it out. You can go through this link and come on this page. You can also see by yourself.